Hi and welcome back to my channel. I must start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. It's much appreciated. And if you're watching this, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel grow. I've had my channel for almost 3 years and I've got quite a few videos there. So if you haven't looked over my previous videos, please do so. It ranges from making your own foliage, is when I first started. And then there's some Bachmann sound locomotives, some Hornby wagon packs. Then there's what I do is I buy off eBay locomotives that are burnt out motors. So I strip the motor out and have it as freewheeling, so you can have it as a push pull for doing 2 locomotives without having to change all your CV settings and everything. And then I've had some with Curascale, the Deltics. I've got 3 sound Deltics there. Some with problems with the speakers. Then I've got a load of Curascale wagons, and then fitting with coal loads. And then I've got some Lima packs that I've recently looked at. So as I say, please look over my old content. There's a lot of videos there, and be much appreciated if you leave comments as well, because all comments are read and answered. Please hit the like, and the bell icon will let you know by notification when I upload new videos. So today we're taking a look at some new Dapol wagons that I recently got from Derails models. And these are the wagons that I've got. HIA Freightliner grain, heavy haul, limestone hoppers. Dapol to me are one of the best manufacturers out there. I've had no problems with their, well, with the wagons or their locomotives. So we'll take this one out of its box. It's not easy doing this one-handed. You get this little detail pack with it. It's got painted pipes there. And you get a little lamp for putting on the end of your stock. They don't light up, but they're painted red, so it's as good as lighting up. They come in these packs. They're not quite ice cube ones because the front just comes off. Can say about these wagons is first off, the nice weight of them. They're really quite heavy, really, and there'll be no problems with derailing. The bogies, they're quite loose as well. Metal wheels, and you get a lot of detail on these wagons. I will take a closer look. I'll put my my flash on. Just wish my camera would focus in better. But you can read all that it says on there. You have a lot of details on these wagons. Yeah, there's some rust on there. Shouldn't really have rust on that. The brand new wagons. Yeah, it's rust that. That's China for you though. Is they are made in China, unfortunately. Dapol stuff used to be all made in UK. But they've gone across to China like most manufacturers now. But they are really good wagons, these. I've got a load of these I have. And this one's got some rust on it as well. You probably find they're made in bulk and they've been in storage for ages. And they just go and put new ones into the wagons. Let's say that's China for you. They're not giving us COVID, they're giving us rusty parts. So this one is 4F stroke 026 stroke 025. And in the background, this one is from 026. As you can see, different running number. This one's 027. This one's 028. And this is 029. They do move so easily for a heavy wagon. Just have to get some loads to put in these. I've got some of that Oasis green stuff that I can put in there, and then put some limestone ballast on top to make the loads. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Like I say, your comments are much appreciated and always answered. And if you can, please subscribe to my channel. I say it doesn't cost you, but it'll help my channel grow. So until my next video, I'll say bye for now, and everyone take care. Thank you very much for watching.